She thought she was managing her money, but little did she know, one tiny habit was slowly stealing her freedom. Aisha always spent money without thinking. Small daily purchases, coffee treats, little online shopping splurges. She never realized how quickly it added up. Each small expense, unnoticed, was quietly eating away at her savings. She ignored bills, lost track of expenses, and kept buying things she didn't really need. Slowly, her savings were disappearing before she even realized it. Every month, she felt the stress build, but she couldn't figure out why. One night, she decided enough was enough. She started tracking every expenses, from the smallest coffee to online shopping buys. Every night, she wrote it down in her cozy little notebook. Slowly, she began to see where her money was going. She regained control and peace of mind returned. It wasn't about earning more, it was about understanding what she already had. One tiny habit at a time, she changed her life quietly, calmly, and beautifully. And that's the power of small financial habits.